Medical indications: meniscus repair, ACL or PCL reconstruction, tendon repair, Genu Varum, patellar instability, and more. How to adjust flexion and extension stops on your ONE brace. First, loosen the screw on the hinge mechanism using a screwdriver. Next, loosen both screws and carefully set them aside. After loosening the screws, carefully remove the existing 0 degrees stop. Choose the correct flexion or extension stop based on your prescription. Flexion and extension kits are available for customized roam control. For reference, here's how to insert the extension stop. We are using the 40 degrees extension stop. Insert the extension stop into the side of the hinge, ensuring it is properly aligned. Bend the hinge to the required angle so that the extension stop slides securely into place. Now, tighten both screws one by one, ensuring the extension stop is securely fixed in the hinge mechanism. As you can see, after fitting the stop, the hinge now prevents extension beyond the selected degree. Similarly, you can use the same method to set and control the desired flexion and extension angle. Thanks for watching.